We are moving to the next topic, that is the unification of Italy, and there also we can see three steps in unification of Italy. First step we can say like that, the starting 1830 onwards, what happened there in Italy. We have seen already in the map that it was divided into seven states. We can see here in the map seven states. In that, Sardinia Piedmont was ruled by Italian princes. One part only, small one part was ruled by Italian, one of the Italian princely house. And the famous persons related to this Italian unification we can see. And first one is Mazzini. We have read about him already. And Mazzini, what he done? The second paragraph we can see. During the 1830s, Giuseppe Mazzini had brought to put together the coherent program for the unitary Italian Republic. What was first person? That is Mazzini, and he is made his work in 1830s, and he is thinking like that, unity of Italian Republic. He had to form a secret society. Already we have seen that he made two major secret society. In that, one of the secret society, it was Young Italy, was for the dissemination of his goal. What was his goal? Make the unified Italy or Italian Republic. The failure of revolution, any uprising both in 1831 and 1848 meant that the Mendel now followed the Sardinia Piedmont under the ruler King Victor Emmanuel II to unify Italian states. In the second stage, we can see that the one of the king they are supporting, because they were the revolutionaries. They become failure in 1831 and 1848 both time. So the ruler he himself tried to help them. Then second one we can see the chief minister Cavour, what he is doing. He is taking the leadership of the unification of Italy. Chief Minister Cavour, who led the movement to unify the regions of Italy, was either a revolutionary nor a democrat. He never taken the totally steps of revolutionary or the steps of democrat in between. He taken a neutral movement for the unification of Germany. Like many other wealthy and educated members of the Italian elites, he spoke French much better than Italian. What was their problem? There was the people, maximum people, they was not knowing Italy first of all. And we can see that Italian people, they was speaking other languages like German, France, like that. Even the one of the chief minister, he also was speaking in German. And what he done, his unification of Italy earned much the diplomacy of the chief minister Cavour, who became the prime minister of Piedmont from 1850 to 1860, and that was under the leadership of Italian princes, and he was the prime minister of Piedmont, that from 1850 to 1860. Through a tactful diplomatic alliance with France engineered by Cavour, Sardinia Piedmont succeeded in defeating Austrian forces in 1859. He became successful when he fought with Austria to get parts of Italy under Italian Union. In that, he was become successful. Then third person, that is Garibaldi. We can see the third person, that is he is starting from 1860. That is Giuseppe Garibaldi joined the fray. He taken the leadership, and 1860 they marched into the South Italy and the kingdom of the two Sicilies. We can see in the map, that is the here the kingdom of two Sicilies. They are marching to this side, southern side. and they become successful in that one. And the local peasants also, they also supported the Garibaldi, and they become successful. And they drive out to the Spanish rulers also. That part was under the Spanish rulers. They sent them out and they taken the power in their hand, means they got power. And in 1861 Victor Emmanuel II was the proclaimed King of United Italy. The person who proclaimed Italy as the unified Italy, that is the Emmanuel II, that is in 1861. Then after that we can see the however much of the Italian population, among them rate of illiteracy rate were very high and remained blissfully unaware of liberal national ideology. Some of the people, middle class people, they was highly educated, and other remaining part of the population, they was not aware about aware about the liberal or nationalist ideology. And peasants mass who had supported Garibaldi in some southern Italy had never heard of Italia. Means that Italia word, means the name of Italy, that they never heard. They thought like that is the wife of Emmanuel. That was that much illiterate peoples was there in one side, and another side very highly educated and professionals, engineers, doctors, college professors, and other people in one side of Italy. That is all about unification of Italy. So we can make into three under the heading of three persons, not in the three event. We can make into in the name of three person. First is Mazzini, that is in 1830s, and second one under the leadership of Cavour, that was from 1852 to 60. 1850 to 60. The next person who is taking the leadership, that is Garibaldi, and under the leadership of him Italy become unified Italy, and 1861 they proclaimed that it unified Italy. And what was the condition of Italy on that time? Half of the people, they was very highly educated, and rest of the people was totally illiterate or not aware about any movements of Europe. That was the condition. Even they don't know their own country's name, that Italia. That was the condition. Okay, we will continue in next video.